If Royal Gold's 2025 was a movie, it would be a blockbuster titled The Billion-Dollar Pivot. CEO Bill. Heisenbuttel called it a transformational year, and the numbers back up the hype. Let's break down the box office hits. First, the financial records. Royal Gold officially joined the billion-dollar club. Revenue hit a massive $1.03 billion. That is a 43% increase year over year. Operating cash flow reached $704.8 million, up 33%. Net income came in at $466.3 million, which is $6.70 per share. And despite this massive growth, they maintained an elite 82% adjusted EBITDA margin. For shareholders, the golden streak continues. Royal Gold raised its 2026 dividend to $1.90 per share. That marks 25 consecutive years of increases, a legendary track record. Now, let's talk about the big acquisitions. The headline news of 2025 was the massive Sandstorm and Horizon acquisition, which officially closed on October 20th. This added incredible new streams to the portfolio, like Kansanshi, Xavantina, and Warintza. In the fourth quarter alone, this deal provided $49.2 million in new revenue. Behind the scenes, management moved quickly to optimize the portfolio. They sold Versamet shares to generate $147.4 million, applying it directly to debt repayment. Looking at the global tour, the core assets proved their longevity. In North America, the Mount Milligan mine secured a permit extension out to 2035, bringing in $223.7 million in revenue. In Nevada, the Cortez mine saw exploration success at the 4 Mile project, finding mineralization 300 meters down dip. And down in the Dominican Republic, Pueblo Viejo hit record gold and silver sales of $129.8 million. In South America, Xavantina extended its mine life by 4 years to 2032. Over in Ecuador, Fruta del Norte is planning a massive 133,000-meter drill program. And in Africa, the Kansanshi S3 expansion hit commercial production on December 1st, pulling in $32.3 million in revenue for the partial year. But growth isn't free. To fund these massive moves, Royal Gold drew $1.275 billion on its credit facility. However, their payback strategy is just as aggressive. Before the year ended, they repaid $375 million from operating cash flow. And they didn't stop there. Post-quarter, in January and February of 2026, they repaid an additional $175 million. Today, the currently drawn balance is down to $725 million. And the company sits on $756.5 million in total liquidity. The ultimate goal for the Horizon? Clear the debt balance entirely. By early 2027, Royal Gold is heading into 2026 leaner, meaner, and heavily diversified. With their aggressive repayment strategy and a clear goal to clear the debt balance entirely by early 2027, they are proving the strength of their portfolio. For more contrarian takes and deep dives into the true value of mining stocks, be sure to subscribe to Intrinsic Insights. Let us know your thoughts on this performance report in the comments below.